So friends, today we're going to see a nice recipe with leftover chapatis. So all I've done is I've just torn the chapatis into small pieces like this. Now here I have one medium-sized onion that I've chopped fine, one potato that I've just washed well and sliced fine. This is about a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of fresh coriander leaves, 5 to 6 curry leaves chopped, 2 light green chilies chopped fine. This is half a teaspoon of asafoetida and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, mustard seeds and turmeric powder. So let's start. So here I have a pan which is heating up and I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Once our oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add the mustard seeds. Let the mustard seeds begin to splutter. Once they do, then you're going to add the cumin seeds or the jeera. Next, we're going to add the curry leaves. Now you can add full curry leaves, but I like to chop them up into smaller pieces. Next, we're going to add our chopped up green chilies. I'm using the light green chilies because they're less spicy. Next, I'm going to add the asafoetida and the turmeric powder or the hinga and harad. Mix everything really well. Next goes in the chopped up onion. Now fry the onion really well till it becomes translucent. So this should take you about half a minute on a low to medium flame. Now I'm going to add the chopped potato or the sliced potato. Mix everything really well. Let the potato get nicely covered up with the rest of the bagar or the fotni. And now we're just going to cover and cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes till the potatoes are nice and cooked. So you stir in between and just check when the potatoes are nice and cooked. So this should take you about 3 minutes. Now you can just press down on the potato, and if it breaks easily, that means you know that the potato is nice and cooked. So keep a check on it, stir in between. And once your potatoes are nice and cooked, that is, if you press down and it breaks easily, that means your potatoes are ready. So now you can add up this torn up chapatis or torn up puris and mix everything really well together. Now this is an ideal way to use up leftover chapatis that you can really make this as a breakfast item, or it can also be used as a lunch or dinner recipe if you want to have something really light. It also makes a very good tiffin recipe. It's really delicious, guys. So if you haven't ever tried out this recipe with leftover chapatis or puris, you must give this a try. Now mix everything really well together. Now I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of water, about a tablespoon or a handful of water. Just sprinkle it lightly. And again mix everything nicely. And now we're just going to add a little bit of salt to taste. And I'm also going to be adding a pinch of sugar. Now we call this fodnichi pori, in Marathi, but otherwise it's a great recipe to use up your leftover chapatis. It's an ideal breakfast or anytime brunch kind of dish. And now I'm just going to cover and cook it for about 2 minutes, again stirring in between, so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Now I'm going to sprinkle the chopped up coriander, mix everything nicely. And then I'm going to turn off the heat and I'm just going to squeeze the juice of half a lemon. Mix everything really nicely. And that's it, guys. Your fodnichi pori, or this recipe made out of leftover chapatis, is all ready. So do give this a try and do let me know in the comments section how you like this recipe. I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata signing off. Take care, guys. Bye. Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.